For our observation of the creatures and the natural world, let us start with Proverbs 6, verse 6. Go to the ant, thou sluggard, and learn her ways, and be prosperous. We're going to spend a little time with the ants. The first thing I'd like you to notice is that they use what is common to them, that which they can find around them. Have you seen some of the tunnels, some of the highways, some of the buildings that the ants produce? Because they use what they have. You get up and use what you have and prosper. Subscribe now.